Yeah, sure thing. So this vacuum that I'm going to link for you mops and sweeps, and it came highly recommended by a lot of people in my comments. So I actually put it to my showcase because I was thinking about getting it myself. It's $273, but it is on sale for $150. But then with the TikTok shop coupon, you can stack that and get it for $125. So if you're in the market, I think that's a really great deal. Like I said, we were looking at getting it just for my first floor because we have LVP on the first floor and carpet. So anyways, if you're in the market, I will link it in the bottom left-hand corner for you.